Hey everyone, it's Fun Fact Friday and I'm here at a park. I'm here at a park because today I'm talking about supporting your kids and the stresses that they have, especially around school. So you're also going to hear a personal testimony of mine because essential oils have been a big part of our family's lives, and that includes our children, and they have totally been able to support them well at school. So I have kids that are in elementary school, and you know, my one just really was having a hard time focusing in classes and just would get overwhelmed, and she you know, just needed some extra support. And I learned very quickly that essential oils can help her in this area. And so one of her favorite oils is Stress Away. So Stress Away is what we've been talking about, and it's an amazing oil that just helps for her personally relax and kind of take a deep breath in. And so one way that I helped her support her in school was these inhalers. So you put the essential oils on a wick, they unscrew, and then it has a hole so they can just smell. So we keep one of these in her pencil box, so that way if she starts to feel overwhelmed with a project or just even what's going on around her with friends, she can take it out of her pencil box and smell this. You know, and that has really been a game changer for her because it helps her, able to like take a step back and smell. The essential oils help her support her while she's at school, but then also I feel like it gives her something familiar to hold on to as well when things seem a little out of control at school for her and her environment. And so that has been huge. Essential oils have really transformed how the kids then also will be supported at school if they're not feeling well. So I've sent Ality with a immunity roller as well, and a peppermint one to help support proper digestion. And that has made a huge difference in how often she's had to go to the clinic, even if it's just because she was uncomfortable. So, you know, there's many different ways that you can help support your kids at school, and essential oils is definitely one of them. You can buy diffuser bracelets. You can make your own paracord bracelet. I found that holds essential oils really well. We've done that with the kids. They tend to get lost, but, you know, it definitely is a way to help put a scent on there. We've done roller balls, I've done the inhalers, and even I've just applied them before they've gone to school. You know, and I think, and I would say that they have made a world of a difference for our kids in supporting what they need at school. So I hope that you have a great weekend. Thanks for joining me. Bye.